how to send gallery video as Snapstreak. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send a video from your gallery as a Snapstreak, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sending videos from your gallery as a Snapstreak is actually quite simple. Normally if you have a Snapstreak with someone, what happens is if you send them a video from your gallery, the Snapstreak is going to get removed because it is going to get sent from your chats page instead of the snap. So if you want to send it as a snap, instead of selecting this and selecting that video, what I want you to do is simply select this little camera icon here, as you would do when you come to the normal snap page. Now from here, simply scroll and then here you'll find this little search icon. Tap the search icon, and then in the search bar you simply want to go ahead and then type in video. So when you type in video here, you should be able to see video photo upload filter. Select that. Now inside this filter you can just select a certain snap that you want, and after you have done that, you can simply go ahead and then select that or record it, whatever else it is that you prefer. You should be able to record them. After you record them, now you can simply go ahead and then send it, and now it will get sent as a snap. So the trick is not to select directly, but go here, select a video filter, and after that send it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then actually send video from gallery as a Snapstreak. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.